Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe Izukane, and on this channel we do everything beauty. To my new subscribers, you're welcome. So today's video is a tutorial on a simple rose gele. So I'm doing a simple rose gele tutorial, and I'm using a small asoke, and you can see that I am making my pleats, and the pleats, they have to be really neat. Okay, so I have made the pleats already, and I'm just going to go ahead to rearrange them and then place it on her head. And that's my sister over there. We actually had the sessions before she went back to school. The measurement for this gele style is 50-50, so you don't have any short and you don't have any long side, so it's in two equal halves. So I'm arranging one side while she's holding the other side with her hand so that it doesn't move. Okay, so to my new subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you for joining the family, and to my friends that have always been here supporting me, thank you so much. And I'm also going to arrange the other side, as you can see. Okay, this style is very simple, it's easy to achieve. Just watch and just follow the process. Okay, so I'm done arranging both sides now, so I'm just going to go over to the back and also arrange the back as well. Please, if you have not yet watched the previous gele tutorial, which is on a simple bow gele, please do go back and watch it. Thank you so much. So I'm done with arranging that particular side. I just had to cross it over to her to hold it. Okay, and I'm done arranging this other side as well, so I had to drag to make sure that it's tight. So I just had to cross over, okay, on both sides, as you can see, and then arrange the back neatly. So make sure that the head tie is sitting firmly on the head. That is the reason for dragging it, and it just gives it that fitting, as you can see. So I just went ahead to twist, and then after twisting I had to lay it on top of the pleats that I have made. Okay, so she would hold it for me, and I'll also do the same thing. Okay, I'm just twisting now. After twisting, I'm also going to lay it, okay, and use this one, all right, to wrap around the other one. It's just easy. Okay, just watch it. So I will just wrap around it continuously, and after I'm done wrapping it, okay, wrapping it will also make it firm, and then I'm going to use my pins to secure it as well. So I'll be left with the other one to work with. Okay, so I'm done with wrapping it round, and I'm just going to arrange it and make sure that it's in place. Okay, make sure that the twist is in place, as you can see, just to adjust it. And that's my pins. I'm just going to use it now to secure what I have wrapped so that it doesn't come off. You can use a lot of pins, to be sure. Okay, and until you are satisfied that yes, it's okay and it's not going anywhere. So if you're watching and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. So I am done securing it with the pins. I just had to open it up. Can you see? What I did was to open it up. I had to spread it out. Okay, and this just leads you. Okay, so spread it out, flip it up, arrange it till you get both ends. Can you see it? That's just it. You get both ends together. You see it, join it together, and you pin it. Adjust again to get the shape that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead now to pin both ends together, okay, to close it up neatly. That's just it. Can you see? That's the style. So just keep arranging it until you are satisfied. This looks really beautiful. So the next thing I'm going to do now, to make it firm, I'm going to pin it down to the pleats. You can see I raised the pleat up to pin both ends down to the base. so it just makes it firm, okay, and just keeps the style in place. Okay, so you see it now, it looks, you know, more beautiful and firm. So I just went to the back now to make the back neat. Okay, so I just arranged and then pinned it down so it's neat, as you can see. Okay, so basically that's just it. So that's the style. I hope you love it. What do you think? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, and if you did enjoy watching, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Thank you very much. And also share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Oh, this really is beautiful and it just suits her. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Love you all.